Hi, this video is a part of CS50 project, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence using Python. So we have to find the degree of separation between the two actors. So the degree of separation is just the shortest path between them. So how we connect them is like uh, we take input from the users as some actor starred in some movie and treat it as source and target. So for each source and target we call the shortest path between them. So here is the implementation of the shortest path and what is meant by the shortest path. So let me tell you. So for example, I run my program on a small data set. So we have two data sets. First I run the program in small data set. So I have to name the example. For example, I give name Tom Cruise as a source and Tom Hanks as a target. So you have to find a degree of separation between these two actors. So the shortest part between them is 2 degree of separation, as Tom Cruise and Kevin Bacon starred in a few good men, and Kevin Bacon and Tom Hanks starred in Apollo 13. So this is a 2 degree of separation. So let me explain the implementation of shortest path. So I first check if source is equal to target. I simply raise an exception. If this is not the case, then I use source as a start node and add that node to the frontier, which is a queue data structure, as I use breadth first search to find the shortest path. So I use start node to the frontier. Apart from this, I also have a explode data variable to check whether which node I explode or which node not. So this is the looping condition to explore all the nodes. So I check if frontier is empty. I then simply return null. If this is not the case, then I remove the first element from the queue and store in node and check whether this node is the target or not. So whether I am checking whether I reach to the goal or not. So if I reach to the goal, so then every node has some action and parents, so I just backtrack and find the degree of separation, like find the path from which they are connected. So after that I reverse the answer and simply return that answer. So if the node is not the goal node or target, then I add that node to the explode node, and after that I look for each movie ID and person ID in neighbor for person, where I pass the node state. So neighbor for person is simply a movie ID and person ID pair for the people who start with given person ID. So in that I check if that person ID is not in frontier or and not in the explode node. So if I either not explode that person or it is either not in the frontier queue data structure, then I find the child of that node. So in action I pass the movie ID from which movie they are connected, or from which movie they have this work with each other, work in the same. So I add the child to the frontier data structure, and when this loop in this loop either we come in the situation where queue is empty, then we return null, or we find that the goal is equal to target, so we return the answer. So let me run that for the large data set, as I already run to the small data set. So for large data set, for example, the data is loading, so so it might take a few seconds to load the data. So the data is loading. So okay, so it is still loading. So just Okay, so the data is loaded. So okay, so I might check for Bill Paxton as source, and for target I okay, so Sally Field. So let me find how they are connected. So it will take some time, so I skip that part, and I already run to find like how they are connected, what is the degree of separation between them. So here is the result. So Bill Paxton and Sally Field, on the large data set we find the 2 degree of separation between them. So Bill Paxton and Shirley MacLaine started in the Evening Star, and Shirley MacLaine and Sally Field starred in Steel Magnolias. So there is a 2 degree of separation between them. So that's all. Thanks.